So, tell us about the Series E funding.
I think this new chapter of Synthesia is really, really exciting. With this new fresh round of funding, it's all about product development to ensure that our customers have the best platform in the world for augmenting and training and communicating with their workforce, their customers, and other stakeholders in the business.
Can we get a sneak peek of the product roadmap?
We're launching our Video Agents product very soon with our Skills product, which is video you can talk to. It's going to take video from one-way communication that you sit down and just passively consume to a two-way communication. You're actually talking to the video.
Oh, how did the new features help with learning?
If it's a sales training, the agent can pretend to be a customer and train you on how to overcome objections. It can be a coach, it can give you feedback on how you just did in that interaction. It's going to take a lot of creativity and experimentation with our customers to figure out the most valuable use cases. On a personal level, that's actually the thing I love the most about building a company like Synthesia.
Very cool. So what's next?
To me, the shift feels a little bit like the first time I discovered the internet as a kid and just the world that opened in front of me. I'm really excited for what's next. We're going to be building really cool things with our customers, and we're going to help humans work better than they ever have.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks, Victor.
Great. Well, thanks for having me.
Have a great day, and congrats on Series E.